Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Bolt and Bytes, the digital playground where we geek out over futuristic stuff that makes our brains do backflips. Before we begin, here's the scoop. We're racing toward 1,000 followers, and when we get there, boom, we're giving away awesome tech goodies to our top 10 commenters. So flex those comment muscles. Make us laugh, think, or just say something wildly clever. Alright, buckle up, we're heading into Tesla's Gigafactory, aka the robotic wonderland where cars basically build themselves. In the Nevada desert, a technological marvel rises from the dust. This is Tesla's Gigafactory, a testament to Elon Musk's ambition to revolutionize not just the automotive industry, but manufacturing itself. More than just a car factory, the Gigafactory represents a leap forward in scale, automation, and sustainability. The Gigafactory is a hive of activity, buzzing with robots and humming with machinery. It's a place where raw materials enter, and batteries, powertrains, and finished Tesla vehicles emerge. The factory's sheer size and advanced technology are a sight to behold. This is the future of manufacturing, where innovation and automation combine to create products that are shaping the world. In the sections that follow, we'll delve deeper into the Gigafactory, exploring its scale, technology, and the impact it's having on the future of manufacturing. The term Gigafactory is not hyperbole. It's a fitting description for a facility so vast it's visible from space. When fully completed, the Nevada Gigafactory will cover an area exceeding 10 million square feet. To visualize this, imagine more than 200 football fields under one roof. But size is only part of the story. The Gigafactory's true significance lies in its vertical integration. Unlike traditional car factories that assemble parts from various suppliers, Tesla's facility houses the entire production process. From raw materials to battery cells, electric motors, and final car assembly, it all happens under one gigantic roof. This streamlined approach allows Tesla to control quality, cost, and production timelines more effectively. Step inside the Gigafactory and you'll witness a ballet of automation. Hundreds of robots, some taller than giraffes, move with precision, lifting, welding, and assembling parts with incredible speed and accuracy. These are not the clunky industrial robots of the past. These are agile, intelligent machines equipped with sensors and AI. These robots handle repetitive, physically demanding tasks, freeing up human workers for more specialized roles. For example, robots perform the intricate welding required for the car's aluminum frame, while humans handle tasks that require dexterity and problem-solving skills, such as wiring and final quality checks. This collaboration between humans and robots is key to the Gigafactory's efficiency. Section 4. Powering the future Tesla's battery production. At the heart of the Gigafactory lies its battery production facility, the largest in the world. Here, Tesla produces the lithium-ion battery cells that power its electric vehicles. The scale of battery production is mind-boggling, with the factory capable of producing enough batteries each year to power hundreds of thousands of cars. This in-house battery production is crucial for Tesla's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. By producing batteries at such a massive scale, Tesla aims to drive down the cost of electric vehicles, making them more affordable and accessible to the masses. Section 5. The human touch collaboration in an automated world. While automation is central to the Gigafactory, human workers are still essential to its operation. Tesla employs thousands of people at the Nevada facility, and their roles are evolving alongside the technology. Instead of performing repetitive manual labor, human workers are now tasked with overseeing the robots, monitoring the production process, and ensuring quality control. They are also responsible for maintaining and repairing the robots, as well as developing and implementing new automation solutions. This shift towards a more skilled workforce highlights the changing nature of manufacturing in the 21st century. Section 6. A new era of manufacturing. Tesla's Gigafactory as a blueprint. The Gigafactory is more than just a factory, it's a glimpse into the future of manufacturing. It's a future where automation and robotics are embraced, not feared, and where humans and machines work together in a symbiotic relationship. Tesla's innovations in automation, vertical integration, and sustainable manufacturing are setting a new standard for the industry. The Gigafactory serves as a blueprint for other companies looking to embrace the potential of advanced manufacturing to create products that are both innovative and environmentally responsible. As Tesla continues to expand its Gigafactory network globally, the impact of this manufacturing revolution will be felt worldwide, accelerating the transition to a sustainable future. Welcome to This is Bolt and Bytes, where the future is always a little smarter and a lot more fun. Hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you in the next one. Exploring the future of manufacturing at Gap 2S. But first, a quick announcement. Tell us in the comments. And remember, when Bolt and Bytes hits 1,000 followers, our top 10 commenters are getting rewarded with some awesome tech goodies. So be bold, be brilliant, and be in the comments section.